everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're talking about a very relevant topic, technology and alternative delivery systems. I'll break it down in a simple and meaningful way, so let's get started. So first, what exactly are alternative delivery systems? In simple terms, these are non-traditional ways of delivering instruction. Instead of learning only inside a classroom, these systems use different platforms, technologies, and methods to reach students anytime and anywhere. Examples are online learning, modular distance learning, blended learning, TV and radio instruction, and mobile learning. These became essential during the pandemic and even today. They continue to transform how teachers teach and how students learn. The role of technology. Technology is really the heart of alternative delivery systems. It connects teachers and learners even when they're far apart. Here are 5 key technologies that support learning today. Number 1, learning management systems. Tools like Google Classroom, Moodle, Canvas, and Edmodo help teachers post lessons, give quizzes, and track student progress. Number 2, communication tools like Zoom, Teams, and messaging apps make real-time discussions and feedback possible. Number 3, multimedia resources. Videos, animations, foodcasts, and digital textbooks make learning more interactive and easier to understand. Number 4, mobile technology. Smartphones and tablets let students study anytime, even without a laptop. Many apps today are mobile friendly. Number 5, television and radio instruction. For areas with limited internet, TV and radio lessons remain an important and accessible option. Benefits of technology ads. So what makes technology so powerful in education? Here are some key benefits. Number 1, flexibility. Students can learn at their own and time and pace, which is helpful for working students and those with varying schedules. Number 2, accessibility. Technologies remove physical barriers. Even those in far-flung areas can access learning materials. Number 3, higher engagement. Multimedia tools make lessons more exciting and easier to follow compared to plain text. Number 4, collaboration. Students can work together, share ideas, and communicate through different apps and platforms. Number 5, personalized learning. Teachers can adjust lessons and give instant feedback, helping students learn based on their needs. Challenges we must address. Of course, technology also comes with challenges that we need to address. Poor or unstable internet connection, lack of devices for some students, limited digital skills among teachers and learners, decreased motivation during online or modular learners, and the risk of learning gaps if technology isn't used properly. This reminds us that technology alone is not enough. We need proper training, support, and strong educational policies. The future of alternative delivery systems. So what does the future look like? One thing is for sure. Alternative delivery systems are here to stay. More schools are using hybrid or blended approaches where traditional and modern methods work together. We're also seeing the growth of AI-powered tutors, virtual and augmented reality classrooms, gamified learning apps, and cloud-based tools and online resources. As technology continues to evolve, learning becomes more inclusive, more personalized, and more effective. Before I end this vlog, here is my short insight about technology and alternative delivery systems. This topic made me realize how much technology has changed the way we learn. It allows education to happen anytime, anywhere, and gives students more flexibility and access to learning resources. But I also learned that technology isn't perfect. Problems like weak internet connection, lack of devices, and limited digital skills can make learning challenging. That's why technology needs proper support and guidance to be truly effective. Overall, technology shows us that education is evolving. When used wisely, it can make learning more inclusive, innovative, and accessible for everyone. I hope this helped you understand how technology is shaping the future of education. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Bye!